And so, mm, 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 mm. Wow. Oh my gatos! I am so freaking excited about today's mukbang, girl. Yes. Welcome. Hello, everybody. Hello, all of you beautiful people out there. It is me, Madison. I hope you're doing so well today. Thank you so much for joining in to today's mukbang. Oh yeah, girl. I'm trying to talk a little bit lower because this mic right here is really sensitive. In my last video, I was like, holla holla, like screaming. Not really, but talking really loud. So like, I'm trying to be a little lower voiced. But today's mukbang is vegan version Panda Express. Oh my God. I am living. I'm so freaking excited and I can't wait to show you everything that I made vegan style. Okay, so let me tell you everything that I got and then let's dig in, okay? So I've got vegan version of beef broccoli. These are the Gardein beefless, no, what are they? I don't know, Szechuan beef, whatever, and I put beef broccoli sauce on there. And then I've got chow mein. Oh, chow mein. I haven't had chow mein since, oh my God, I can't even remember the last time I've had chow mein because chow mein is not vegan. It has oyster sauce in it. So yeah, sticky rice. Oh, hello, duh, sticky rice. And then this is a vegan version of Panda Express's honey walnut shrimp. Oops. Can you see? Look at that. Yummy, yummy. I'm so excited to try that. And then I've got egg rolls or like spring rolls. These are store-bought. I bought them at Central Market. They're like vegan vegetable spring rolls, whatever. And then I've got a ton of cilantro right here for garnish. I love cilantro. I made a peanut sauce. This is actually almond butter that I used, but I made a peanut sauce for dipping. And then this is the packaged dipping sauce that came with the egg rolls. It's a tomato pineapple sauce. Oh. Okay, so let's dig in. I want to try this one first. Like what? Oh my God. So this one, oh dude, wow. This one has vegan mayo. Vegan mayo, and I use this vegan honey right here. It's called bee-free honey. Oh, I forgot a napkin. Made with apples. And I have some interesting information on here about bees. It takes about 10,000 bees to make 1 pound of raw honey. By using apples instead of bees, we save 7,500 bees per jar. Save the bees, bee. Come on. Okay, I haven't used chopsticks in so long. Okay, this one I made my own mushroom sauce with shiitake mushrooms. And so, wow. Not even kidding. That's like, wow. Okay, and then this one is the Gardein. I'm just so excited. I don't even know what to talk about in today's video. Gardein, beefless, whatever. Okay, that's good, but like, I could have made it better. I kind of was rushing it because, you know, like I have so much stuff I'm trying to make. So I would have made these a little bit crispier. This is my favorite thing. Oh my God, it is good though. This is my favorite thing to get when I was a kid and would order Chinese food when I eat meat. Look. Doesn't it look like real meat? I love, I can eat normal foods. I'm not and like eat vegan style foods, because I always say, why eat animals if you don't have to? I mean, I'm not like, whatever, if you eat meat, it's like whatever, it's fine, but just for me, yeah, I don't even know, what am I trying to say? Okay, this is the peanut sauce I'm gonna try dipping it in. Oh, spicy. My dog gets into everything. I'm like, she finds things that I haven't even seen in years, and she's like chewing it up. I'm like, where did you find that? So it looks like there's like tofu in there, carrots, cabbage, your basic stuff. Wow, these are good. Okay, let's try the other sauce. You guys. Okay. I need some drink. This is H-E-B brand sparkling water. Love H-E-B, right? If y'all don't have H-E-B in your area, it's just like a local grocery store. They're awesome. I gotta burp. Oh, you guys. Let me get this out of the frame. It's kind of distracting, huh? Okay. So, this is for you, Sabrina. This right here, I got because of you, because she eats it in like all of her mukbangs. Gochujang, Korean chili sauce. I don't know if this is the same one. They did have the same one at the store that she uses, but I didn't buy it, girl, because I didn't know if I was gonna like it, so I bought this one, which I thought would be the same thing, but smaller. What do I try it on? Let's try it on here. It's like a little ketchup bottle. Okay, gochujang, gochujang. And I also watched a video of these girls. Oh gosh, what is their name? They do like mukbangs together. And they said that when you're eating noodles, you can't bite the noodles as you're eating them because it's considered bad luck. So you just have to like slurp them up. Oh my God. You guys. I have to burp again. I'm very burpy today. That stuff is so good. Wow. Oh my God. I'm gonna be so full. I haven't eaten yet today, so. Wow. No wonder people talk about this, because I watch a lot of mukbangs, right? Also, holla at me, you guys. Like, I've been watching so many mukbangs lately and like making friends with all these new people, and the mukbang community, they're just awesome. Like, I love them. Everybody's so nice. I just like love watching what people eat, and every time I'm like watching somebody's mukbang, I'm always thinking like, oh my God, I want to make that vegan style because it just looks so yummy. So I've been watching all these Panda Express mukbangs. Everybody goes on and on about the walnut shrimp. So I'm like, dude, I gotta try that. It's really easy. It's honey, vegan mayo. I use soy condensed milk. And then walnuts. They say to candy the walnuts. Like, you know. First of all, candying or caramelizing or whatever is like a long process. And I just think that would be too sweet in here. So I didn't do it. I just used raw. So, I don't really know what to talk about, but I'm just going to talk about my week. What's been going on. Like, I worked so much this week. I was kind of sick, so that was kind of crappy. But I'm feeling much better. Some ice in it, stuck on my straw. Oh God, I'm so raunchy, I swear to God. Spicy. Oh wait, no, I gotta put this down. So tomorrow, I'm really excited about this, you guys, because tomorrow my husband is taking me on a surprise trip. Well, obviously I know it's not a surprise entirely because I know we're going on a trip and I like know some details about it, but I don't know where. All I know is it's 4.5 to 5 hours away. It starts with an L, and it's a cabin. And he sent me a screenshot of the weather. Oh my God. It was 40 degrees at 7 o'clock at night. I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna be so freaking cold. I mean, it's cold here where I live, and like it's really cloudy outside. Like, I have my fucking LuLaRoes on and my socks. All cozy and warm. So, I don't know where it is. All I know is what I said, and that it's a cabin, and that like you have to bring your own pots and pans, and we're gonna, I guess, cook our. I think there's a stove, but I think you cook your food outside on the fire pit. But I bought vegan marshmallows, you guys, and dark chocolate and vegan graham crackers. So I'm gonna have s'mores. Oh my God, I'm gonna have s'mores for the first time in years. I'm so freaking excited. I think maybe I'll do like a, what I ate in a day, or maybe like a, what am I trying to say? A mukbang. Oh my God, what I'm doing right now. Video, and show you everything that I eat while camping, which is not camping. What am I saying? It's like glamping, really. You can see s'mores, vegan s'mores. Oh my God. So I'm really excited about that because I'm gonna like prep a bunch of stuff. So what I'm gonna make, I think, chorizo potatoes, you wrap them in foil, and then you just put them on the grill, on the fire pit. Cauliflower in foil, and make vegetable kebabs with barbecue sauce. Veggie dogs, burgers, veggie burgers. Oh, you guys. I'm so excited. I love food. It's like, oh, food. Oh, and mac salad. I'm bringing mac salad. I always take mac salad when we go camping. It's just, you need mac salad while you're camping. So I'm excited. I'm so excited. But I got to get all that prep done today and clean my house. Oh my gosh, like look, my pillows are all over the place. I'm cleaning my couch cushions and stuff, and it's just like everything has just been a mess. So I got to get that done. Oh, my kitchen is a freaking disaster zone after cooking all that food. Ooh, food just came out of my mouth. I mean, I'm looking at it right now. It's I need more water. Hi. This is the best. It's better than Pellegrino. It's better than Topo Chico. Like, I don't know what it is. It just tastes the best. So, what did you guys eat today? I want to know. Okay, I'm going to eat all this chow mein. I need to step away from it. What do you guys like best about mukbangs? Let's talk about that. My favorite things are, I like to hear chewing sounds, but I don't dislike ASMR like at all. I kind of like it, but I just like to hear people talk, and I like, oh, and I said I was going to be like soft spoken to like help with the microphone, but I haven't. I've been kind of loud. Sorry about that. But I like to hear people talk, but I also like to hear like chewing sounds. You know what I mean? That's one of my favorites. And I just like to I like when people talk a lot, but sometimes it's kind of fun to just watch people do nothing, but do nothing but eat and not talk. But yeah, so chewing sounds, I like to see what people eat, like what are their favorite kinds of foods, how they eat it or prepare it. Yeah. Oh, and homemade food mukbangs. Like, I love watching people who make their own food. Oh, I want to tell y'all a story about what happened on my job this week. This guy, I swear to God. Okay, so I was catering an event and I was working alone. So I was like working the floor and bartending and whatever. It was pretty laid back. It ended up getting kind of hectic, but so I was the only one there. Well, I guess that's not really relevant to the story. I was bartending at the moment, and this guy comes up to the bar, and well, he came up earlier, and he's like, "Oh, I left my wallet at home. I don't have any money." Like going on about how he left his wallet at home or whatever. And I'm like, okay, so you're not gonna buy a glass of wine? Cool, got it. Like, are we done here? So, why did I hold that burp in? I don't know. So he goes away and he comes back with some money, I guess, that he got from one of his friends. This motherfucker buys a glass of wine and he doesn't tip. Whatever. Okay. I don't care. Then later he comes back to the bar and he's like, "Okay, can I have another glass of wine?" And I'm mid pour on his glass of wine. And this guy goes, and I go, "It's $9.74. Yes, a glass of wine is $9.74. I know, it's insane. But, oh my God, that is so good. He goes, while mid pour, he goes, "I only have $9. Stop pouring." I said, "Okay, you can have this wine, which is $8.66. No, I don't like that kind of wine." Oh, okay. He goes, "Well, I want this wine. Is there anything you could do for me?" And I go, "Do you mean pay for it out of my own pocket?" And he goes, "Yeah, if you could do that." And I go, "No, I can't." God, like the audacity, like I would never do that to somebody. So I just gave him like the little half a bit of wine and charged him $9 for it. Like, get out of my face with that. Like, I don't go up to the cashier when I'm at fucking HEB buying my sparkling water and tell him $10. Oh, I only have $9. Do you mind paying for it out of your own pocket? No, the motherfucker gets paid $10 an hour. I'm not trying to take one of those dollars. People, like, seriously, what is up? Oh, and then the next guy who came up to the bar, he is rifling through his wallet to pay. He buys 2 glasses of wine. It's $19.50 or whatever. He's rifling through his wallet for like ever. And I'm like, oh my God, like, why is he taking so long? And I'm looking in his wallet and it's all $100 bills. Every single one. And there was over 10. I just saw him flipping through these $100 bills. And I'm like, oh my God, dude, must be nice. And which I'm happy for him. That's great. You fucking have a ton of money. This guy, oh my God, he's like, he goes, after a while of ruffling through his wallet, he goes, okay, you know, do you want me to use a card or can you break this $100 bill? It's all I got. I go, either or, sir. I have change for you, or I can put it on the card. It's completely up to you how you'd like to pay. And so he goes, okay, I'll pay cash. And he hands me the $100 bill. I give him exact change, and he doesn't tip. I just don't get it. Like, you have hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Why not tip? Like, you know what I mean? I don't know. I've been in the service industry for years, and I truly believe in the power of tipping. You know, I think you need to tip your servers. That's just the way it is. Like when we went to Europe, it was really hard for me because like we were in England and Ireland, and like eating in restaurants, like it was really hard. My husband's trying to explain, like, no, because he's from Ireland. He's like, no, the way it is here is like, you don't tip because they get paid an hourly wage, which I think is pretty cool on some aspects, but some I don't. And so, but I still tipped. I tipped every single server. They're probably like, here comes an American. We gotta serve them. I want that table. Look in here. So, anyways. Whew, I'm getting full. I'm so curious where we're going, you guys. Like, where are we going tomorrow? Oh, this is so yummy, you guys. I can't believe how much I'm eating. I gotta save some for my husband coming home for dinner. Okay, this one is my favorite out of it all. The beef broccoli. I need some water. Hi, Kaya. Do you guys feed your dogs scrap foods? I don't, because I think it teaches them to beg, right? But she kind of begs. Actually, she doesn't really, now that I think about it. She was just saying hi right now, but she fucked off somewhere. Oh my goodness. I'm so full. I'm slowing down. I want to eat more of this. What do you guys get at Panda Express? This was really good. It's just too sweet. Like, I would have put way less honey in it. I followed a recipe that I found online, and it called for that much honey, which is way too much. And this stuff tastes like honey. It's crazy. I don't really like honey either. Yum. I think I might have to stop. I'm getting so full, but it's just so yummy, you guys. I also need to do my Savers shoe haul. And I need to do my, what else? What's the other one? Oh, I went to Torrid. I need to do my in the dressing room. I have a bunch of clips of clothes that I tried on. And, oh, my shirt's ready. Let me get this down. So I have a bunch of clips of clothes that I tried on. So I need to get that filmed. I am so full, Kaya. I'm done. Come say hi to the people. Come. Oh, sorry. Am I holding you weird? I apologize. My dear dog. I love you. I know it's food. You can't have any. I love her so much. She's growing on me. It was really hard at first because Chihuahuas are a lot, but I love her so much. Yes. See, my mommy loves me. Isn't she cute? If you would have told me, Madison, you're going to get a Chihuahua, if you would have told me that 6 months ago, I would have said, no, ma'am. You got me confused with somebody else because I can't stand those little fuckers. But I went to the pound or the shelter, and she was there, and I was like, oh my fucking God, she's so cute. She's like looking at me all cute and innocent. You looked cute and innocent, but you ain't. You ain't right. You ain't right in the head. You're crazy. And look at all this mess. Everything's all torn up on the floor because of you. Everything. I mean, if you guys could see my floor, I'm telling you, my house is a freaking wreck right now. Because if you don't just follow her around and like pick up after her after this little tornado, everything just goes to hell. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, I want you to comment down below, this shit is bananas, okay? Because I want to see. I bet you maybe one person will. So I want to see. Because I'm guilty of it too. Like, I don't even watch mukbangs all the way through. Sometimes, you know, they're long. Sometimes you gotta go get shit done. But that's it. I need to go. I don't want to go. I don't want to leave you. But I'll leave you with this. And I will see you in my next mukbang. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.